back to the channel, guys. As promised, my little brother's here to help me install the stacks that I got from 4 States. They are called the Best Fit kit. So as of right now, I really like the way they look. Everything looks very clean and it looks like it's gonna go together super simple. So here's the before. We got the 8-inch pipes up there, and they've seen better days, but they're all straight. So we'll get those off and we'll kind of show you guys what we run into. I hope we don't run into any problems because it's kind of cold out here today, and I'd like to just get it done quick. But we wanted to show you guys that you don't have to necessarily go to a mechanic shop to do something like this. You can do this with basic hand tools, and yeah, so hopefully it's an upgrade. Some people think that I should keep it with the 8-inch pipes, but I think the 6-inch is that in-between mark to where it's gonna give it that old school look, but still bring it into the future. So stay tuned as we get going on this thing. Let me disconnect it at the bottom. Or here, hold it. See how it's almost coming out? Come closer. Let it hang down. You see what's going on? Toss it on the side somewhere. Oh, it goes the other way. Yo, can you get under here a little bit? I don't think it's gonna fit. I mean, I know it's up, but it just looks really tall. I think it's probably about the same as where yours are at. Because yours were a little taller than mine, I think. Man, I greatly appreciate my little brother coming over to help me out, because that wasn't something I would have been able to do by myself. And I don't know why he's making a left turn out of here, knowing that this is a blind corner. That's all right. But yeah, I don't know what I would have done without him, because I definitely needed his help. Got a little frustrated there for a second because it's getting a little cold out. So, but that'll be it. Alright guys, I deleted the muffler on this thing. Wish me luck. Make sure we're locked in. Wish me luck, that's all I'm gonna say. I hope it's not too loud where I'm like, I hate it, you know what I mean? My throttle response has completely woken up. Like, it sounds really good. Like, I'm not mad at the sound of it. Obviously this ain't even loaded or anything like that, so you know, gotta take that into account once we get loaded and everything. But this is a really tight right turn. I don't know, I kind of want to wait for this other lane to go. We'll see what happens. I don't know, that's kind of tight, dude. I've never made a right turn over here.